Hello and welcome to English Passage, the channel where you learn English through simple and fun stories. I'm so happy you're here today because we have something very special prepared just for you. Do you want to improve your English? Do you want to learn new words, understand sentences, and speak with confidence? Then you're in the right place because today we are going to learn English together, step by step, through storytelling. In this video, I will share 5 short and easy stories for beginners. These stories are fun, simple, and full of useful words and phrases that you can use every day. We will practice together. I will say the sentences slowly, and you will repeat after me. This way, you can improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary skills all at the same time. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a wonderful learning experience. Don't forget, you can pause the video anytime to repeat a word or sentence. This is your learning time, and I am here to guide you. Are you ready? Let's begin our journey of learning English through stories. Story 1. The Lost Cat. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She lived in a small, cozy house with her family. Every morning, Lily woke up early, brushed her hair, and went to play with her cat, Snowy. Snowy had white fur as soft as a cloud and big blue eyes. Lily loved Snowy so much. She often said, "You are my best friend, Snowy." But one sunny morning, something happened. Lily opened the front door to get the newspaper, and Snowy ran outside quickly. So fast that Lily couldn't catch her. "Snowy, come back," Lily shouted. But Snowy was gone. Lily's heart started beating fast. She felt worried and scared. She searched under the table, behind the sofa, and in the kitchen, calling, "Snowy, where are you?" But Snowy wasn't there. Lily ran to her neighbor's house. She knocked on the door and asked, "Have you seen my cat? She is small and white." The old man next door smiled kindly and said, I think I saw a small white cat near the park. Maybe it's Snowy." Lily said, "Thank you," and ran as fast as she could to the park. At the park, there were many trees, birds, and children playing. Lily looked around. She called softly, "Snowy, Snowy, please come back." Suddenly, she heard a tiny sound. Meow, meow. It was Snowy, hiding under a bench. Lily ran over, picked her up, and said, "Oh, Snowy, I was so scared. Don't run away again." Snowy purred happily. Lily hugged her cat tightly, and they went home together. Lily learned an important lesson that day. Always take care of your pets and never leave the door open. She said to her mother, "I love Snowy so much, and I will be careful from now on." Her mother smiled and said, "That's a good idea, Lily." Vocabulary: cat, garden, neighbor, park, meow, hug, happy. Let's repeat: cat, garden, neighbor, park, meow, hug, happy. Story 2. Tom's New Shoes. Tom was a young boy, about 7 years old. He loved to run and play football with his friends every day. But Tom had a problem. His shoes were old, dirty, and too small for his feet. His toes hurt when he ran. One day, Tom said to his mother, "Mom, my shoes are too small. They are hurting my feet." His mother looked at the shoes and said, "Yes, Tom, let's buy you a new pair of shoes." Tom smiled and shouted, "Yay! Thank you, Mom." They went to the market together. Tom saw so many shoes: red shoes, black shoes, shoes with lights that blinked when you walk, and even shoes with stars on them. Tom's eyes were big with excitement. "Wow, so many shoes," he said. Then he saw a pair of blue shoes. They were soft and shiny. Tom tried them on. They felt perfect. He said, "These are so comfortable. I love them." His mother smiled and asked, "Do you like them?" Tom nodded and said, "Yes, these are the best shoes in the world." His mother bought them, and Tom couldn't stop smiling. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. The next day at school, Tom's friends saw his new shoes and said, "Tom, your shoes look so cool." Tom felt proud. He said, "Thank you. I love my new shoes." From that day on, Tom always took care of his shoes. He cleaned them every evening and kept them safe in a box. Tom learned that small things, like new shoes, can make you feel happy and confident. And when you feel good, you can do anything. Vocabulary: shoes, market, new, comfortable, proud, clean. Let's repeat: shoes, market, new, comfortable, proud, clean. Story 3. The Rainy Day. One morning, Sarah woke up and looked out the window. The sky was grey, and the rain was falling softly on the glass. "Oh no," Sarah said, "it's raining again. I can't go outside to play." She felt bored and a little sad. Sarah's mother heard her and said, "It's okay, Sarah. Let's find something fun to do inside." Her mother gave her a book. It had a colorful cover with a picture of a little dog. Sarah opened the book and started reading. The story was about a brave dog who helped his friends in the forest. Sarah found new words like brave and help. She asked her mother, "What does brave mean?" Her mother smiled and said, "Brave means not afraid. It means you are strong inside." Sarah smiled and said, "I want to be brave too." Sarah read the whole story. She forgot about the rain. After a while, the rain stopped. Sarah looked outside and saw something magical, a big, colorful rainbow in the sky. She shouted, "Mom, look, a rainbow." Her mother came and smiled. They both went outside, took a deep breath of fresh air, and enjoyed the beautiful sky. Sarah learned that even on rainy days, we can find happiness in small things, like a story, or a rainbow, or a new word. Vocabulary: rain, window, book, brave, rainbow, happy. Let's repeat: rain, window, book, brave, rainbow, happy. Story 4. The Kind Baker. In a small town, there was a baker named Mr. Ben. Every morning, he woke up early and worked hard. He baked warm bread, sweet cakes, and tasty cookies. The smell of fresh bread filled the street, and people smiled when they walked by. Mr. Ben was always smiling. He loved to help people and make them happy. One day, a small boy named Jack came into the bakery. Jack was hungry. His clothes were old, and he had no shoes. He looked at the bread and felt sad. Mr. Ben saw him and asked, "Hello, little one. Are you hungry?" Jack nodded shyly. Mr. Ben smiled and said, "Here, take this warm bread. It's for you." Jack's eyes grew big with surprise. He took the bread and said, "Thank you, sir." Mr. Ben said, "It's okay, my friend. Always remember, kindness is a gift. When you can help someone, do it." Jack smiled and promised, "I will help others too." Jack learned that when we give a little kindness, we make the world a better place. Vocabulary: baker, bread, hungry, kindness, help, smile. Let's repeat: baker, bread, hungry, kindness, help, smile. Story 5. Anna's Birthday Party. Anna was a happy little girl. She was turning 8 years old, and she was so excited. Her parents planned a special birthday party for her. They decorated the house with pink and blue balloons, a big happy birthday banner, and colorful lights. Anna's mother baked a big chocolate cake with sprinkles and candles. When the party started, Anna's friends arrived, bringing presents and big smiles. They sang, "Happy birthday to you." Anna clapped her hands and said, "Thank you, everyone." She opened her gifts, a book, a toy, and a soft doll. Anna hugged her doll and said, "I love it." The children played games like musical chairs and danced to music. They laughed and had so much fun. When it was time for cake, Anna made a wish, closed her eyes, and blew out the candles. Everyone clapped and cheered. Anna smiled and thought, "This is the best day ever." Anna learned that birthdays are a time to celebrate, share love, and be happy with family and friends. Vocabulary: birthday, cake, balloons, presents, happy, friends. Let's repeat: birthday, cake, balloons, presents, happy, friends. Congratulations, my dear friends. You did an amazing job today. Together, we listened to 5 wonderful stories. We learned many new English words, practiced simple sentences, and improved our listening skills. I am so proud of you. Remember, learning a language is like planting a seed. Every day, when you listen to English, when you speak, when you learn new words, it's like giving water to the seed. Step by step, your English will grow stronger, and soon you will speak with confidence. I want you to keep practicing. Listen to these stories again and again. Pause the video when you need to. Repeat the words. Speak out loud. The more you practice, the better you will become. And remember, English is not just words, it's a way to connect with people, to make friends, and to share your ideas with the world. So tell me in the comments below, which story was your favorite? Did you learn any new words today? I love to read your comments, and I will answer as many as I can. Let's keep learning together. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Passage, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again very soon with more fun and easy stories to help you learn English step by step. Until then, stay happy, keep learning, and remember, you can do it. Goodbye, my friends. See you in the next story. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.